Welcome back to Barefoot Bible. Today's video continues a study of Daniel chapter 3. It's from my newest book, Daniel, The Secrets Revealed, which is now available on Amazon, either in paperback or Kindle, and links to both are below the video on your phone or laptop. Shadrach and his two friends were brought to the king for refusing to bow to a giant gold statue. Verse 14, Nebuchadnezzar spoke unto them, Is it true, O Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego? Do you not serve my gods, nor worship the golden image which I have set up? So he questioned their refusal to participate in his idolatry. Idolatry began in ancient Babylon, long before Nebuchadnezzar's time. The Tower of Babel was the first effort at an organized false religion involving pagan worship, according to Genesis 11. In Revelation, Jesus attaches the name of Babylon to the paganism of the Antichrist kingdom, and you'll find that in several chapters there in Revelation. Back in Daniel 3, verse 15, If ye worship not, the king said, ye shall be cast the same hour into the midst of a burning fiery furnace. And who is that God that shall deliver you out of my hands? Nebuchadnezzar's question is quite relevant. Who is that God that shall deliver you? Nebuchadnezzar knew of no Babylonian gods who could save someone from a fiery furnace. Also reminds us of another historic event. Adolf Hitler's Auschwitz ovens in 1943 were not the first fiery furnaces to kill captives or destroy the Jews. Back in Daniel 3, verse 16, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego answered and said to the king, O Nebuchadnezzar, we are not careful to answer thee in this matter. The three princes did not offer flimsy excuses or beg the king for forgiveness, but boldly replied, We are not careful to answer. Bold speech requires faith in God and his presence. God stirred their courage and provided timely words. Verse 18, but they said, But if not, be it known unto thee, O king, we will not serve thy gods, nor worship the golden image which thou hast set up. If God did not deliver them, they would rather burn than bow to a 90-foot statue of some false Babylonian god. One author described their bold faith. The quiet, modest, yet withal very positive attitude of faith that these three men display is one of the noblest examples in the Bible of faith entirely resigned to the will of God. These men ask for no miracle and expect none. It's like Job 13, though he slay me, yet will I trust it. Please subscribe, like, and share these videos with your friends. Next week, the video will continue with more of the fiery furnace, Daniel chapter 3. Cast alive into that fire, their faith is fully tested, and they find they're not alone in the fire.